Hello my fellow Zimbabweans and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, then make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our awesome videos. So today's video is gonna be very interesting because we gonna discuss whether Forex trading can help us make money here in Zimbabwe given the current economic situation, which is characterized by high levels of inflation and uncertainty with regards to our local currency, the Zimbabwe dollar. Now before we continue with this video, we should know that this channel is meant for educational purposes only and therefore, what we discuss here should not be taken as financial advice. Make sure to do your own research and also seek professional advice if need be. With that being said, let's get straight into it. So recently, there has been a lot of talk about Forex trading and how people have actually made a lot of money from it. Now given the current economic situation in Zimbabwe, it is understandable why a lot of people are interested in making money through Forex trading. The Zimbabwe dollar has been losing value at a very high rate, and this has resulted in people losing faith in the local currency. As a result, many people are now turning to foreign currencies such as the US dollar, the South African rand, and the euro in order to preserve their wealth. In light of this, some people have started to believe that Forex trading is a get-rich-quick scheme, and this could not be further from the truth. Just like any other business, Forex trading takes a lot of time, effort, and dedication in order to be successful. If you're new to Forex trading, it is important that you understand the basics before you start trading. Firstly, you should know that the Forex market is highly volatile, and this means that the prices of currency pairs can change very quickly. This can make it difficult for beginner traders to make profits as they may not be able to predict how the market will move. Secondly, you should know that in order to be a successful Forex trader, you need to have a lot of patience. This is because you need to wait for the right moment to enter into a trade, and you also need to be able to hold on to your positions for a long period of time. Finally, you should know that Forex trading is not a risk-free activity and you could potentially lose all of your investment. Therefore, it is important that you only invest money that you can afford to lose. So given these challenges, is it still worth it to engage in Forex trading? Well, my answer is yes, but with some reservations. Firstly, you should only engage in Forex trading if you have the necessary knowledge and experience. Don't fall for the get-rich-quick schemes that are being peddled by some Forex traders. It takes time and effort to be successful in Forex trading, and you need to be prepared to invest both of these things if you want to make profits. Secondly, you need to be aware of the risks involved in Forex trading, and you should only invest money that you can afford to lose. Don't put yourself in a position where you're trying to recover your losses and end up losing more money. Now here's the thing, if you're going to engage in Forex trading, you might as well do it properly. There are a lot of resources available online that can help you to learn the basics of Forex trading. You can also consider taking a course or two in order to improve your knowledge and skills. And don't forget that it takes time and practice to become a successful Forex trader. So don't expect to make millions of dollars in your first few trades. Now, given the current economic situation in Zimbabwe, I believe that Forex trading can be a great opportunity for those who are knowledgeable and experienced enough to take advantage of the volatile market conditions. However, it is important that you do and invest more money than you can afford to lose, and that you be prepared to wait for the right trading opportunities. So what do you think? Is Forex trading a good way to make money in Zimbabwe? We would love to hear your thoughts on the matter. Please feel free to share your experiences and insights in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on our future videos. And if you have a friend who might find this video useful, please share it with them. We hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.